What are you doing, Nathan? What do you have? What do you have in your hand? Is it a pumpkin?
Yeah.
And what's that?
Yeah.
What's that in your hand? Candy. What are you? Are you a cheeseburger?
Yeah.
Yep. What are you going to do? Where are you going?
Yeah.
Where are you going?
Yeah. I think so.
You're going to Halloween's house?
Yeah.
Okay. Have a good time, Mr. Cheeseburger. Go get lots of candy.
I got candy.
All right, here we go.
Bye, baby. You kiss? Oh, thank you. That's right, everybody.
I need my car.
Okay, we're gonna go get the wagon.
Daddy's gonna put you in the wagon.
I'll put you in the.
Bye. You come to my house first, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Bye.
Let's go get the wagon.
Bye. Bye, honey.
Let's go get the wagon.
Go get the wagon with Daddy.
Is the garage open?
Yeah. Bye, Mr. Cheeseburger. Nathan, turn around so I can see how cute you are. Bye.